Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, we are back in the kitchen, and yes, we are back with another baking video. Yeah, another baking video. So today I'm going to do a simple vanilla cake, but will not be using the mixer, so all this will be done using the hands. Okay guys, let's get into the video, and before we do that, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yes, also comment down below on the videos you'd love to see on my YouTube channel. So let's get into it guys. So here I've got my bowl. I don't have a small bowl. This came with a mixer, so I'll be using this. Then I've got 2 eggs. The recipe calls for 3 eggs, but it all depends on you. If you want more eggs, that's you can use 3. So yes, I'll be using 2 eggs. Here is a half cup sugar. Here is a third cup of milk. I don't have the Prestige margarine that I used to bake, so I'll be using this one. I need a third cup of this. And here guys, here I have already sifted my flour. This includes of 1.5 cups of 1.5 cup of wheat flour, ile tu ya kupika chapo. Then a half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. That's it guys, that's it. By the time you're doing this, you should be preheating your oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's do this guys. So my 2 eggs. So from there you can add in your sugar bit by bit. The rest of the sugar. Butter. It's in room. Milk. Oh, someone's missing. So nitatumia yenye tu imebaki, ndio imebaki. But you are supposed to put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and let's see if this will mix. Si bora you mix too, because we ain't supposed to do it rigorously. So let's use this. So guys, I think our cake mix is coming through. Yes, our cake mix, we've done that. So let's put in the mix. Guys, can you hear him? Msinikujie. I forgot that my parchment paper was almost over. So let's see how this cake comes out. Also shake it in, just to make sure you get rid of all the bubbles. Add it in. So at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. and in there. So let's give it around 40 to 45 minutes and we will be back. So hi guys, my cake is ready. Just a little bit of garnish. Then this is icing sugar, guys. Nothing much, but yes. Okay, let me pick you up. I don't have any margarine left. If I had, I would have made some cream, but well, I don't have. So let's try this cake out. Let's see, guys. Ooh. So spongy. So just make sure that you do beat your eggs proper, like beat them kabisa. Then unaona hizi space ziko huku, before you put your butter into the oven, just make sure you what kugongesha tindo itoe bubbles. We're back. You're back. Hi. Yeah. So this turned out awesome. I don't know why light inacheza na mimi, but yes, this is a yes. So thank you guys for baking with me, and comment down below on what you think I would have done better, or on videos you'd love to see on my channel. And subscribe, guys, if you haven't. It's free, guys. And yes, I will see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.